Papa.
You can start a fire.
What are you eating, Dylan? What are you drinking?
Beer.
They're hot.
Not hot. No, eat your popcorn.
Okay. I love popcorn.
That's Pawpaw's popcorn, isn't it? Or is it Dylan's? Is that Pawpaw's root beer?
That's fine.
Did you see a cowboy?
No.
See any horses? You didn't see any horses?
I can.
Did you?
I can cowboy horses.
Yeah. You like horses, don't you? Dylan, do you like camping?
Yeah.
Do you? Now I like camping.
Won't leave. We'll put him back in there if not eat him.
Dylan, you ready to go home?
No.
You're not. You like camping?
Yeah.
Do you?
Do you?
Are you eating all my popcorn? That ain't funny. You burst out of my popcorn. You're doing it again. You're a stinker.
Papa.
Man, I can see you too.
Papa.
What? You're in my popcorn. I'm gonna be mad. And there's Daddy. Daddy's eating pork rinds.